Oh no. Getting stuck by a train is no fun. Ooh. Oh my. It's a diamond. I want it. Sweet. Oh man, another train's coming. Chugga chugga chugga. Chugga 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 choo choo. Chugga 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 choo choo. Anyway, guys, that's what trains do. It'll come by you, and you might get stuck by one. Some carry passengers, some don't. Have you ever ridden on a train? It's okay if you didn't ride on a real one. You might have ridden on other trains like the steam train. Choo choo, chugga 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 chugga. I know, right? I'll see you later in the video. Pardon me, sir, but where's the nearest train station? Ma'am, it's over there. Thank you, sir. Who was that? All right, want to try something? I'm going to bump two trains into each other. Oh boy, that wasn't very far. It looks like the black train has more newtons than the other train. Ah, there's bees! Give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you like this train video. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye! Do you know where City Hall is? I don't know where City Hall is. You mean City Hall? Oh, that's where I live. Okay, now I get it.